In this video, we will show you Sheraton Hotel Manila where we stayed at during my friend's wedding.
Good morning from Sheraton Hotel. It's our last day here, and we're going to have breakfast, and then
Because the wedding reception was held here at Sheraton, the guests were able to enjoy a discounted room rate. Our room includes complimentary breakfast for 2 persons. And if you want to add more, it would cost you 1,500 pesos plus tax per person. Let's see the food choices at the breakfast buffet. There's a wide variety of food available, so depending on the type of cuisine that you like, you have different options. Although there are several options, I still love Filipino food, so I have to have rice. If we didn't have complimentary breakfast, we would have been charged 2,700 pesos for our breakfast. Sheraton Hotel Manila is located just across the airport, or the Naiya Terminal 3. Before checking out, let's see the hotel facilities. So on the way to the pool, you will see the fitness area, and there's also a kids playground. We also passed by a spa before reaching the swimming pool. This swimming pool is shared by the guests of Hilton Hotel and Sheraton Hotel Manila. You can also request for towels at the pool area. Good morning, guys. So we're about to check out from the hotel. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to take videos yesterday because I checked in late since I came from my friend's wedding. But just to give you a quick room tour, so upon entry, you will see this is the foyer, and then there's a safe, and of course there are several cabinets, full-length mirror. It's also there's a safe and several drawers so you can put your clothes here, and there's a full-length mirror, sliding door din siya. And here you can see there's a ironing board and then iron and then hangers. There are complimentary hotel slippers also. And then there's a complimentary shoe shine service, but of course we didn't use it there. We already got some of the slippers. There's at least 2 complimentary slippers. On the right side, you will see the toilet or the bathroom. By the way, there's also 2 robes here, but we already used it. So, may robe. And then, in the bathroom, sorry, hindi na siya ganun kalinis because we already used it. We're about to check out. So, yan, may 2 robes. And then, merong nakalagay dito yung towels na mga malilinis. But of course, we used it already. And then, there's a hair dryer na nakalagay dito. And then, there's complimentary soap. Glasses for brushing your teeth. And then, merong 3 pieces ng hand towels. And then, dental kits. So, dental kits, shower cap, and then vanity kit. And then, over here, this is the shower area. Of course, cold and hot shower. And then, my complimentary shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So, that's the bathroom. Of course, there's the toilet. May bidet siya, pero hindi siya yung regular bidet na hahawakan mo. Parang you have to press the button sa gilid. And then here, of course, you can put your... it's actually yeah, you can put your luggages here. And then there's another area here. Sobrang dumi na, sorry. And there are 2 queen-sized beds. So, the room is good for 2 persons, but in reality, you can fit as much as 4. But of course, the breakfast, there's a complimentary breakfast only for 2 persons. Over here, there's also ice and ice water. And then there are 2 complimentary water. Actually, pwede ka naman ma-request ng additional, so we got 4. And then, these are not free. So, nakalagay dyan yung amount. Of course, it's pricey. For example, juice is 150, sparkling bottled water is 250. So we don't get from there. And then here you can see there's the refrigerator. So meron ding maraming drinks. But again, it's not complimentary. Nakalagay doon yung price list. So it's a little expensive. So as much as possible, we don't recommend getting from there. And here, there are complimentary coffee and tea. Tapos, meron niyang 2 mugs. So, yun. So, you can drink coffee from there. And then, ayan, meron din wine glasses. So, if you... There's wine kasi, but it's not complimentary. So, if you want to spend. Okay, so, of course, there's a big TV. And then, let's look at the view. This is the view. So, yan yung pool. By the way, yung pool, it's a shared pool. Sheraton shares the pool with Hilton Hotel. And also the parking. So, we park at the basement. The basement parking is the common parking area of Hilton, Okura, Marriott, another hotel, and then Sheraton. And don't forget to validate your parking chip before you leave because the parking fee is costly if you don't have any complimentary parking. Okay, so yun lang. So we're going to check out now. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you!